Amazon asked for your certificate of insurance. If you're using Next, here's exactly how to download it and send it to Amazon the right way, step by step. Log into your Next Insurance account, either on desktop or mobile. Go to Documents or Certificates. Click Download Certificate of Insurance. This is your proof of coverage that Amazon needs. Amazon wants you to either upload your COI in Seller Central or mail it to their risk management team. If you're uploading, go to Amazon Seller Central Settings, Account Info, and Business Insurance. Then upload the PDF you just downloaded from Next. Next, let's you create custom COIs anytime, no extra fees, no waiting. If you still need coverage or want to add insurance policy for your business, you can get a quote and be fully compliant in minutes. Just use the link in the description to get started.